this from Brooklyn, you know?
You sure so this is the only one you have?
My husband.
Oh, are you sure the only one you have?
The only one.
Good, cause this global, you know?
One and only.
Oh, good. You know, say official when this go to, you know?
That's my beauty queen, right?
Cause if this not official, somebody go call you.
Yeah. It's all about the Jamaica Good Life family.
Can't wait to go back to eat some Jamaican good jerk.
How long you guys been here?
Long enough.
So how long are you married?
30 something years.
Oh, 30 something years in the married?
No, like a year and August gonna be 2 years. Yeah.
A year and a half? So happily married?
Happy.
Yeah, sure.
You love, she preaching, you know, English, you sure say? You get to say, where you get that from English?
St. Elizabeth, Jamaica.
A brown skinned woman from St. Elizabeth.
Jamaica, I'm gonna
She's a beautiful man.
Thank you.
There's St. Elizabeth here, you know? Santa Cruz.
Oh, what you say?
Yeah.
Are you a country woman?
Yeah.
You used to farm and thing?
Yeah, my mom is a farmer. And my dad.
The chicken and the goat and the pig.
Everything like that.
So you're a proud country woman?
Of course.
Proud country. You got to be proud
of my
you're
culture.
proud.
Yeah.
There's nothing like yard in my nothing like yard.
So what most you guys love about Jamaica?
Everything.
Beautiful sunshine.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Place where you can do farming and all those stuff.
Everything.
Are you guys
Everything good about it.
All season. It's all about the all season. You know
Nice
what I'm
weather all year long. Not like here.
You travel often back and forth?
Yeah, usually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But a good while I don't go back to Jamaica. Going next year.
So give some sort out to the people over the world. On the globe, I don't know say this thing big, you know. You know global, you know.
We're gonna see it tonight, right?
We're gonna see it tonight.
Yeah, big up to all of the good life people.
So
Nick, trusty. Walk is so
dirty people them.
They're not really dirty. They're good people. They're hardworking people.
Remember you say you're not gonna call them dirty no more. You say you have a change of your thing.
That's why I say good people. I use say dirty when you come from the scene.
Good people.
But dirty means farmers.
Farming?
That's what I mean. Dirty people mean people who are of the dirt.
Okay.
So it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. But you guys are a beautiful couple.
Yeah, man. Patrick, big up every time. We see you.
You look beautiful, man.
I like to,
frame up, you know.
Eh?
I like to watch Porky.
You like Porky?
She's a hardworking lady.
Okay, you like Porky Pork?
Yeah. Not really. I just like her. She does article by watching it. Yeah. And Patrick too.
Yeah, man. So every night, every day I say watch it?
Every day.
Yeah, so man, a little break I take now from the editing, you know.
Really?
Yeah, man, I don't take a little break and I say, I need a little break.
Oh, okay.
But let me catching up on the spot and
disturb you.
No, man, I'm global now.
Global.
But at least I can say I meet Randy instead of just watching Randy on TV.
Yeah, man.
So
finally,
I just spot you and say, oh,
are you see me?
That's Randy here.
I'm going to start wearing my shades and hat and thing.
He don't have any shoes.
Big up the whole, big up the whole Canarsie crew.
Yeah. Surrounded their hideout.
So we're just chilling at the park.
Chilling at the park. This is Canarsie Pier. You're here. Have no fear.
English and
big up my mom, Beauty, Ronald, all my sisters Rosita, Natisha, Nerissa, Terry, and Ronaldo. Big up from New York.
On a global, you know.
Brooklyn, Bronx, Manhattan, Jersey, Patrick, Nerissa.
You guys have my sister
you guys have children?
in Jersey.
Yeah.
How many children you guys have? 2? You go for
And
the
a lot
children.
of pets.
You have dogs in Canada?
No, just birds.
You have birds?
Yes. I
Oh,
love birds.
okay.
I have my dove, I have my parrots, Amazon parrots, and my fish.
What is the parrot name?
Oh, Jessie and Pretty.
English the parrot cuss you out?
And my baby, I just be a grandmother for my baby bird. His name is Chicky.
The bird named Chicky?
Yeah, Jenny.
So when you going to the house English, what the parrot say?
Huh?
Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, good boy. Always good boy.
Are you tell
hello.
English good boy why the parrot keeps saying that?
No, the parrot always say good boy. From we buy her, that's the only word.
So you know teach her another word?
Yeah, we're trying to.
Hello.
Yeah. And Jesse
How
now
are
say
you?
hello. He's the guy. His name is Jesse.
It's so beautiful meeting fans. We're in New York. Where you guys from in New York?
Right here, man. Canarsie.
You've never called before.
Of course.
You called me before, right?
Man, I call you.
Come and remember, you see your vote, me wife think it up on the Facebook.
No, not on Facebook. WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah, WhatsApp.
Wonderful. This is Randy meeting beautiful people, Jamaicans all over the world. It's Jamaica Good Life. One day you'll have to cook and call me and you know, set up some things, you know, so I can cuss out the parrot.
He's very rude, he will bite you.
Yeah, he's very jealous too, you know. Yeah.
Well, heal up everybody.
Big up worldwide, everybody around, all around the fans.
So Jamaica, do you know some people at Jamaica? Because they go see these people all over the world, go see it, and they go, somebody special to them.
Everybody's special to me though.
You gotta be
Big
somebody.
up Mai and Wayne in Portmore.
Okay.
That's my sister-in-law and
Okay,
brother-in-law.
big DJ.
Hawkeye, otherwise Chris.
You
Big
see
up
it, all Portmore family.
From Lisa.
Family
They know
in
me as
Manchester,
Lisa.
all over. See?
Wow. You guys are
Big up
beautiful.
Patrick in New Jersey and my sister Nerissa. Love you guys.
For life.
Respect. Jamaica Good Life. Out. World, this is Randy right now in Canarsie, Brooklyn. Here we have a pickup truck with some Jamaicans. The rule in New York is that you cannot barbecue in the park, right? So what them Jamaican you do? Where you come from?
It's Clarendon, Rasta.
Clarendon people. Where you come from?
Galtigo Bay.
Okay. So how long are you there on the place?
They are good enough, man. We are doing where we are doing.
Eh?
6 weeks now. 6 weeks now.
6 weeks on the there, so.
Yeah, man. Not right here, sir.
But all over.
Yeah, man. They are all over. Just come here.
So them can't touch you now.
No, nobody no trouble.
So now, you know what? Get me some of the jerk chicken, because now we know some of the yard, we have to test it, because if you don't represent, you know, so the jerk chicken at Kingston rough, so I'm going to travel the world and taste food, you know, so just set me up with one piece.
Yes.
We have to make it official. This is Jamaica Good Life, see the bad man them, the one from Clarendon and one from Montego Bay, see them there?
Yes, man.
Babylon said them can't barbecue on the property, so what the Jamaican them go do? Them go barbecue now the truck to rot. Can't stop them, you know, that's why you can't stop Jamaican people, you know. Corona, see that? This is it, right there, so what other places on the stay? Brooklyn. Yeah, man, beloved. See that? See the water there? So I'm going to taste the chicken now. Set me up with a piece. Oh, me? I'm international, now informer. International intelligence. No informer. Go to Jamaica Good Life on YouTube. Alright, we're global. International. Yes. Wanna make on one sauce?
Yeah, man. Real sauce.
Clarendon, respect. About time Clarendon stand up. Hey.
Yeah, man. I check it from straight out of Clarendon.
Clarendon are going warm right now, no. You know Clarendon are going warm right now, no. Hey, tell them to calm down.
Yeah, man. I'm cool. I'm here when I sell mango jerk sauce. See?
I hear one this. I hear you phone the one.
Jerk sauce.
Hey.
Little bit of that.
Hey.
And then we okay, man. Come on,
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Respect, sir. I'm going to keep supporting you because I want to tell everybody in Brooklyn so I know what you're saying. Brooklyn, see there? What the man them company name?
On the spot.
On the spot. So want to sign there?
We don't sign, we don't want to sign, man.
We don't want-
On the spot.
On the spot. All right. So this is on the spot for Jamaica Good Life. Right now the truck back. On the spot.
In a truck.
In the truck back.
Yes, man.
In a Brooklyn. And go all over the place. I love it. See that? When Babylon try to stop them, if them say no, Clarendon.
Yeah,
All right. Set it give to him for me. How much more now? Yeah, love it. So now go see it,
I'll
man.
give you a piece of it, yes. We don't serve them.
You know, sell it to me.
Don't sell your piece, but we just
You know, go sell it to me.
no, man, I get that one, man, because you do thing for you, see?
All right, give
Nah,
thanks.
sell it, man.
All right.
If you only find
Give
that,
it to the
you
juice.
can do that.
Give Give her the number and everything, because I'm going to need the number.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Wallace.
Alright. No problem, G.
Give thanks. See the people on the spot, Jamaican up on the spot, right in the truck back. I saw them do it. Respect, love, alright? Later. Clarendon, later. See the Jamaica Good Life. These guys are barbecuing in the back of their van. On the spot in the back of the van, Tarati. Went in the back of their truck. So I'm gonna taste this up. Let's see what's going on here. And they put their special sauce on it. Big up on the spot. This is Canarsie, Brooklyn. So if you guys come out and if you're in New York City, come check it out. These are Jamaicans doing their thing. In times like these, everyone has to work hard. They've been doing it for 7 years. Trying to get at this chicken right here. Let me see here. Come on now. Let's get this chicken, see what's going on here. Okay. Nice and soft. Okay. Yo, Ken, you want a piece?
Yeah, now you ask.
Okay.
We in the car. You don't ask about the barbecue.
Okay, all right. Let me just, I'll leave you that piece. Let's see this piece right here. All right, that's yours, Ken. Okay, let's see. Seasoned spicy. Kind of like a herbal seasoning. Alright. Alright, Jamaica Good Life. Remember, on the spot in Brooklyn, check them out. Alright, you know me like to talk with my food and I'm out on the spot. Check them out. Ryan the Sessa. I'm out later. Yeah, man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. It's hot. Yes, so me as a Randy says it's hot. Love. It's hot, it's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot. Yeah, man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans. Them they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me as a Randy says it's hot. Love. It's hot. It's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot.